Welcome students. Today video is going to see hydrocarbons. The what is mean by hydrocarbons? The hydrocarbons are compounds composed entirely of carbon and hydrogen. The hydrocarbons widely in nature. The crude oil consisted of complex mixture of hydrocarbons, contains cyclohexane, a cyclic hydrocarbon, hydrocarbon aldehyde which attract opposite gender of its species. Hydrocarbons are primarily used as a fuel. For example, liquefied mixture of propane and butane is used as liquefied petroleum gas. So, they also finds many applications in industries such as solvents, etc. Today in this unit we will study the classifications, preparation, properties and use the aliphatic and aromatic hydrocarbons. So first one studies the first ones they classify hydrocarbons according to nature of bond between the carbon atoms. How we classify hydrocarbons according to nature of bond between the carbon atoms. The next one, how the name hydrocarbons according to IUPAC system of nomenclature. The third one describe various method of preparation hydrocarbons. The next one, interpret and use the following terminology in organic chemistry like free radicals, initiation, propagations and terminations. The next one, chemistry of alkynes by the following reactions of halogenations, combustion, crackings. The next one, predict the formations of addition products of unsymmetrical alkenes which applies both Markovitch's rules and peroxide effect. The next one, acetic hydrogen in alkynes. The next one, compare the structure of benzene, explain the aromaticity and understand mechanism of electrophilic substitutions reactions. The another one, predict the directive influence of substitutions on monosubstituted benzene. The last one, discuss recognize the toxicity and carcinogenic nature of aromatic hydrocarbons. The first one, discuss about alkanes. Alkanes, the first one depends upon the characteristic pattern of bonding between the carbon atoms. Hydrocarbons are divided into two main classes. The first one, aliphatic, the second one, aromatic. The aliphatic, the word aliphatic was derived from the Greek word. So, alipher meaning fat. Important source of aliphatic hydrocarbons are oils and fat. The word aroma means odor, which is obtained by chemical treatment of pleasant smelling plant extract. So the difference between aliphatic and aromatic. The first one, aliphatic hydrocarbons include three major groups. The first one, three major groups aliphatic. The first one, alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. Okay, in the aromatic, three types of major groups. The first one discuss about alkanes or saturated hydrocarbons in which all the bonds between the carbon atoms are single bond. Alkanes consisted of at least one carbon to carbon double bond, and alkynes have at least one carbon to carbon triple bond formations. The alkane, carbon to carbon single bond formation. Alkenes, carbon to carbon double bond formation. Alkynes, carbon to carbon triple bond formation. Hydrocarbons having localized carbon to carbon multiple bonds are called unsaturated hydrocarbons. Multiple bonds is have unsaturated hydrocarbons. So the first one discuss about unsaturated hydrocarbons. So the aromatic hydrocarbons are cyclic compounds which contain characteristic benzene's ring or its derivatives. The first one, hydrocarbons, two classifications, aliphatic hydrocarbons, aromatic hydrocarbons or arenes, unsaturated. For example, benzene. The aliphatic hydrocarbons classified to acyclic, cyclic. Acyclic, cyclic. The acyclic, cyclic, three classifications, aliphatic hydrocarbons. Um, alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. Saturator, for example, ethane. Ethane, for example, ethane structure, ethane CH3 single bond CH3. So carbon to carbon single bond formation, alkane. So carbon to carbon single bond formation, ethane. Ethane means single bond formation. So ethane means single bond formation. The second one, alkene. For example, saturator. Example, ethene. Ethene formula, molecular formula, CH2 double bond CH2. So CH2 double bond CH2, ethene. Ethene means alkenes. Okay, alkenes, ene. Molecular formula, ene. Double bond formation, carbon to carbon, double bond formation, ene. Okay. The third one, alkyne. Alkyne saturator, ethyne. Ethyne means CH triple bond CH. Ethyne. CH triple bond CH. Ethane. Okay. Ethane. So the carbon to carbon triple bond formations of is called ethane. Okay. The second one discuss about alkanes. Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons represented by the general formula. Alkane general formula CnH2n plus 2, where n is the number of carbon atom in the molecule. Methane CH4 is the first member of alkane family. The successive member are ethane C2H6, propane C3H8, butane C4H10, butane C5C12. Okay, the first one to discuss, it is evident that each number different from its preceding succeeding number by a single bond CH2 groups. Okay, CH2 groups. Nomenclatures and isomerizations, we have already discussed the nomenclatures of organic compound in unit 11. So let us understand the nomenclature and isomerism in few examples. The first three members, methane CH4, ethane C2H6, third one C3H8 have only one structure. Okay, the IUPAC name, molecular formula considering structure formula. Okay, first one methane CH4. Condensed structure formula same CH4. Okay, the ethane C2H6, the condensed structure formula C3 single bond CH3. Molecular formula C2H6, condensed structure formula C3H3. So the third one of the discuss propane C3H8, CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH3. So the carbon valency of the 4, so the hydrogens carbon valency 4, so the presence of the 3 hydrogens, the bond formation. So 4 valence of carbon atom. So however, higher member have more than one structure leading to constitutional isomers or structural isomers. For example, an alkane with molecular formula C4H10 can have two structures. They are N-butane and isobutane. In N-butane, all the 4 carbon atoms are arranged in a continuous chain. The N is N number butane standard for normal and means that that the carbon chain is unbranched. The second is isomers is isobutane has branched carbon chain. The two considers the word iso indicates it is an isomers of butane. The second one is structures of the first one molecular formula C4H4, structure formula CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH2 single bond CH3. So the presence of carbon 4 carbon. The 4 carbon presence of the name is bute. So single bond formation is called alkane. So CH3 single bond CH2 single bond 4 carbon present bute single bond formations. So ene is called IUPAC name butane. Common name the knot of the branch. N-butanes all the 4 carbon atoms are arranged in the continuous chain. So continuous chain is called N-butane. The branch the second isomers branched carbon chain. Branched carbon chain is called isobutane. So 2-methyl propane. Okay, 4 carbon present. 2-methyl propane. 3 carbon chain formation 3 carbon. So single branch methane group. So 2 presence of number of presence of 2 atoms. Sorry, 2 second place. So 2-methyl propane. So this name is called common name is called isobutane. IUPAC name is called 2-methyl propane. 2-methyl propane means 1 2 3 3 carbon presence. The chain forms the 3 carbon presence. So prop. Okay, the single bond formations is called alkane. So propane. Okay, the second places of attached the methyl group. So 2-methyl propane. Though both structures have some molecular formula, but their carbon chains differ, leading the chain isomers. Let us understanding the chain isomers by writing the isomers of butane. C5H12. So the C5H12 5 carbon presence of the chain form of the 5 carbon. C single bond C single bond C single bond. This is called N-butane. Sorry, N-pentane. Okay, the N-pentane. 12 hydrogens of the presence. The first ones of the determine the carbon back bond structure of the other isomers by the arranged carbon atoms in the other way. Okay, the next one they fill in all the hydrogen atom so that each carbon forms 4 bonds. Okay, each carbons 4 carbons, 4 valency carbon, each carbon valency 4. So each carbons forms 4 bonds. They fill up the tabular. Okay, the pentane, N-pentane, the first one is called N-pentane. So only chain form. Okay, the only chain form. The IUPAC name butane, sorry, bentane. 1 2 3 4 5 carbon presence. Butane, sorry, bentane. This second one common name butane, same IUPAC name and common name same. The second one, for example, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. So propane. Okay, the second place is methane. So 2-methyl propane. Okay, 2-methyl propane. Okay, the third one is called carbon 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3. So 1 2 3. Okay, prop. So second 2 comma 2 methyl 2 comma 2 methyl propane. Okay, 2 comma 2 methyl. Okay, the today videos is over.